Hi, in this video, I'm going to demo on how to do hypothesis testing of more than two population mean. You have to make sure that you choose the correct variable, which is the variable for research question comparison of means of ratio variable between three or more categories of a nominal variable. So this one involved with more than two categories. Make sure your nominal data, your nominal variable will be having more than two categories. What you have to do is you have to rearrange the data set. You cannot use the original data. Okay, you have to rearrange the data set according to the category. Category 1, category 2, and category 3. Categories is option of answer. Okay, categories is option of answers. And ratio data as the data. Make sure you rearrange the data first. Do not use the original data. For this one, we will perform ANOVA test. And by using Excel, the step will be you go to data, data analysis, and you choose ANOVA single factor. You press OK. Next, in the command box, input range will be the whole data that is in column form. You tick on the label because when we choose the input range, we choose together with that label, the title, and alpha, we make it 5%, 0.05. Output option, you choose or tick output range and select where you want your output to be. Then you press OK. Once you press OK, Excel will provide you this output. So for summary, you can check how many data you have for each of the categories. The average are given, the variance are given. This is the important one, and this is ANOVA table. And in ANOVA table, the important one is this. F is the test statistic value. And if you use the p-value method, this is the p-value method. And this is the p-value. You have to actually compare with 0.05. And F critical, this is actually the CV. Okay, by using the test statistic, the CV, you can actually proceed with writing the 5-step hypothesis testing. So your Excel will look like this. You will have the data and the output. And you can highlight the test statistic and the CV. Your PDF file will be something like this. You put in your output and the 5-step of hypothesis testing. Step 1, you state the hypothesis. Step 2, you mention the CV and the rejection region. Step 3, you mention the test statistic. Step 4, you do your decision. And step 5, you do your conclusion. And that will be for question C. Thank you.